I did learn some cool stuff last month, or a couple months ago. Let's make a video. Alright, welcome back. So, we're going to talk about how you save your caulking. Screws, nails, twigs. We're going to do a test. All of these have been in my cabinet for better than 2 months. Got some white with a small screw in there, which will require some pliers to extract. Oh, that's dry. Look. Completely dry. There's a bigger hole. So let's see. Oh. Alright, so that screw didn't work. And in fact, decided to go through the bottom. So that tube of caulk we were trying to save is now junk. Now this little trick I learned from a dude named Mark a couple months ago. I ran out of a little caulking and said, hey, you got a tube of caulk? And he had some wire nuts on it. And that, I thought that was just the most brilliant idea ever. So, same time this clear was with that one I just had to throw away. Comes out like butter. Screws right on. Wire nuts. Wire nuts. Awesome. Awesome to save your caulk. Thanks, Mark. I like to learn little stuff. And now you've learned stuff too. Give it a shot. Wire nuts. Came out just like it was brand new. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.